Hello guys! Welcome to another video. There's Clyde swimming sa river. Summer na. Summer sa New Zealand. Sama yung mga doggies. Sige. Sophie, come on! Sophie, come here! Ganda ng ilog dito, ilog river nila. Linaw. Diba? Swimming, swimming. Yung dalawang doggies. Takot sa tubig. Come on, Sophie. Come on, Tigi. Come on, boy. Good boy. Come on. Enjoying the sun. Be careful there, maybe it's deep. Nandito kami sa Orari Bridge. River. So swimming daw si Clyde at saka ang mga doggies. You go, you have a swim now. Is it cold? You put your hat in here. Where's the dogs? Come on, Sophie, Tigay, come on. Ganda dito. Yes. Diba? Diba? Oh, swimming na, Clyde. It's not deep.
It's cold.
Dito lang kami sa ilalim ng tulay. Malinaw pa yung tubig. Ah, you're already wet. It's cold. It's cold.
What? You try first. Oh.
Good boy, Tiggy. Good boy. Come on, Sophie. Sophie. Tiggy. Good boy. See? See, good boy. Are you cold? Are you hot? Good boy. See? Ito yung dog nagsuswimming na. Good boy, Tiggy. Are you swimming? Good boy. Good job. Sophie, come on. Good boy, Tiggy. Swimming, swimming. Si Tiggy ay nagsuswimming. Good job, Tiggy. You know how to swim. Oh, just leave him, leave him. Not swimming, he's walking. Tiggy. Picnic. Maganda yung panahon ngayon dito sa New Zealand. Umabot ng 27 degrees. Kaya naisipan namin ni Clyde na mag tampisaw sa ilog. Kaya Kasama yung dalawang makulit. Nasaan na yon? Sarap ditong mag-boodle fight. Swimming. Bukas yata mainit ulit. Clyde will go back here again tomorrow. I think it's sunny again. And we will have our lunch here. Let eat lunch here. What are you doing?
Taking a big rock.
Ito yung nai-enjoy namin dito sa New Zealand kapag summer. Kahit malamig yung tubig, makakaswimming ka na kasi sobrang init. Sunog agad ako. Grabe yung araw. Tama-tama yung panahon, may konting hangin, tapos mainit. Yan, dito lang, malapit lang to sa bahay namin. Siguro ano lang, 1-minute drive. May malinis ng ilog, swimming. Yan, laro si Clyde doon. You happy? Enjoy si Clyde, oh. Laro siya doon. Punta na kayo dito sa New Zealand. Libre lang dito, swimming. Malinis yung ilog. What are you doing there? Yan, summer. Sarap pag-swimming. Yan. Split. Tigi. Nabasa na si Tigi. Ay! Ay, doon! Na, Tigi, na! Tigi! Come on, Sophie, come on! Iniinitan na, no? You cold now? Yan, ganda ng view. Kaka-relax. Look at that, guys. Ganda. Mababaw lang. Hindi pa ako lang ang lubog. Yan yung mga aso, oh. Enjoy sila, oh. Walking. Good girl, Sophie. Good boy, Tiggy. So swimming. Now, where you going? Enjoy sa tubig. Tiggy, come here. Yung isa, oh. Naglalaro. Sumusunod sa akin yung dalawa, oh. Akala maiiwanan. Sunod-sunod. Ayan, oh. Malalim na dito. Ano? Let's go, Sophie. Dati walang tubig tong ilog na to eh. Nung nag-uulan yan, lumanda na ulit. Balik na. Bahala ka dyan, mami. Yan, dito medyo malalim. Pwedeng mag-swimming. Malakas yung ano ng tubig. Yan, sarap mag-swimming dito. Madala pala yung kayak. Bukas. Ganda, ganda dito guys. Nakaka-relax. Sarap magtampisaw. Kami lang yung nandito. Yung dalawang aso at saka si Clyde. Kami lang. Diba? Ganda. Yan. What are you doing, Clyde?
I don't know.
What is that?
I don't know.
Building a... Are you gonna poop in there?
Sure.
You can hide your poops in there. Okay? There's a hole.
Yeah. True.
Grabe ang init. Sunog na ako. Sarap mag-swimming. Ow. Yung tubig, sarap magtagpisaw. Yun, there's the fish, Clyde. Fish. It's hiding here. Under the rocks. Wala na. Ang bilis mag-swimming ng fish. Galing mag-swimming ng mga aso. Oh. Pakisunod kasi kay mami. Yan. Oh, tawid-tawid sila sa ilog. Yan. Simula dun yan, ha? Galing. Good job, guys. Enjoy sila. Good job. Yay. Pauwi na kami. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.